Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you Google sign in Swift iOS. In this tutorial I am going to show you Google sign in Swift iOS. Here you can see after sign in you can see the profile image of user and first name and last name and email ID and logout button and sign in button. Let's create the project. Google sign in. Now project is created now, and let's open Firebase for this, and let's create a project. Enter project name Google sign in. Next, continue. You can set the default account for Firebase. Now it's creating your project, so now we can set up our basic requirement. So first of all we need to drag a PNG file for button, and in main.storyboard we need to take a button for this is our login button. You can set for height and width for this. And add action for this button, Google action button. Now it's done. Let's move to this. Your project is ready now. You can continue and click on iOS. So you can just copy bundle identifier from here. This is your project bundle identifier, and you can paste it. It's optional. And downloading configuration file, you can download. It's download completely. You can just drag and drop this plist file into your project. Now it's time to init pod file for this project. So let's open terminal. In terminal file you can add your project path. This is my project folder, and here pod init. There is no pod file here right now, it's creating. And now you can install pod, Google sign in pod. You can save and pod install. So it's take little bit time for. Now it's completely done. Now you can quit your old project. Now you can open again this project folder and open this white color logo Google sign in.xc workspace. Let's open. Your project is ready now. In application delegate, let's open this, and next pod file already we have created. Yes, now it's processing file. Yeah, it's done. Now import Google sign in, and now in did finish launching with option id dot share instance dot client id, and client id you can copy it from Google service.info plist You can see this is our client ID. You can copy and you can paste it here and save your project and go to your view controller. Now import Google sign in, add a sign in delegate, add protocol. For this you can just cut it and create extension of view controller. You can just paste it. We will code here after some time. The id sign in dot shared instance dot delegate, the id dot share instance dot present view controller self. Now here let name is equal to user dot profile dot name, let email user dot profile dot email. Now from here the id dot share instance dot sign in, can print name and print email as well as. Now we will jump to this and skip this. Now here you can, in authentication section and in sign in method, right now you can see the Google is disabled right now, so you can just enable for this. And this email ID is not configured, so you can click and then codingfist@gmail.com is configured right now. You can just save it. Now Google is enabled. For now, one more thing you need to add in your URL section, just reverse client ID in Google Service Info playlist. You can just copy and go to your info section, type URL, you can paste URL scheme and identifier is Google sign in. It's up to you guys. You can just clean this project and build and run this project. Now we can click on sign in with Google button. Here it's continue. Yeah, if you have another account then you can click on this. I have this account, and now you can see the coding feast is my full name and email ID is this. So guys, we got some response. So here you can see the full name and your email ID here. Now we can print it on our screen. Let profile URL equals to user dot profile dot image URL dot minimum dimension. You can just copy and we can just populate on our screen. So let's create label for name, copy and paste for email, and image view for our profile. (150 by 150), 36 from top and horizontally center. Now it's name, email. Now set up some constraint here. I will create a separate video for constraint as well. Now we can just creating outlet for profile image, name label, and email label. So let's create name label dot text equals to name, email label dot text equals to email, and for profile let data equals to try data of profile URL. Now if let image data equals to data, so profile image dot image equals to UI image with data, that means image data. You can set this. Now we can build this project and run. Here you will see nothing here, then click on sign in with Google. Click on coding feast, and here you can see guys, this is our coding feast logo, and coding feast your first name and your email ID, and run again this project. And again you can see there is no value here, so we need to maintain the session here. If you don't want to log in again and again, then you can write this sign in shared instance and restore previous login. So let's clean this project, run this project. So here first time you can see your screen, and again login. Now there is no need to log in again and again, and if you want to log out this, so let's create a logout button. Logout button, logout, create logout button IB action function logout action button sender UI button, then and logout. Where is your logout button? Here. You can directly go drag, touch, drag inside. Now sign out and build this project. And run. So here you can see the all values. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. So I will create more videos for Swift iOS. If you have any specific requirement, just comment below with your email ID. So I will forward this project to your email ID. If you like my work, so please support me, hit the like button and subscribe my channel with bell icon. Thank you so much. We'll meet soon with new dev videos.